Alright, so we're looking at using button as an hyperlink. Using button as an hyperlink. So here is it. So if you want to use button as an hyperlink, this is my anchor tag. In between this my anchor elements, I'll add my button. Yeah. That button, let me see for now. Let me run it. Let me remove this one. Let me run it. Okay, let me see this one. Sign up. Let me sign up. Let me run this. So this is the button. Sign up. There you see now, you can see that the button is not doing anything. If I go here, you're not seeing that cursor, that hand pointing. So the thing is it's not working anything. So I can I've wrapped this button in my hyperlink, so I can add href here. And I say I want to go to www. Let me see, https www.google.com. Okay, I save everything and I run it. You can see now, if I click on it now, I'm going to www.google.com. I've wrapped it without my anchor elements. This here element, I've wrapped it with elements. But for this button now, I can add a background color using my style attribute. This style, I add my background color. I can give it, let me see, let me give it here. Run it. You can see the buttons now here. So there are more things I can actually do to that button. I can give a width of 200 ps. I can still give an height of 50 ps. Save it and I run it now. You can see the size of the button is now big. I can still add more things to that button. I can add a border radius to that button. Border radius of let me see, border radius of 50 ps. Okay, let me see, 5 ps. Save it and run it. You can see the button has curved edge. So I can do a lot of things inside of my style attributes. I can do a lot of things inside the style attributes. I can increase the font size, this text. I want to increase the size of this text. I'll say font size. I can increase it to 20 px. You can see the size of that sign up is now there. There are a lot of things I can use to do that. There are a lot of things I can do with this style attribute. A lot of things. Alright, so let's document this one. This one is using button as an hyperlink. So once you click on the button, it goes from that page. All you just have to do, just add this href attribute.
Is it possible when you click on sign in? It will take you to sign in.
Sign.
When you click on it will take you to sign in.
When you click on, okay, sign up. It's possible to do that. Yes.